So, for any young leader, one of the golden rules in terms of giving feedback is to actively look for where things are going right, not necessarily looking for where they are going wrong. This goes a long way towards motivating the team. Kenneth Blanchard, in his book, The 1 Minute Manager, uses the bowling alley as an analogy. Just as players crave immediate feedback on their performance to stay engaged and motivated, employees thrive when their successes are recognized and celebrated in a timely manner. Blanchard suggests that in some business settings, feedback can feel like you're throwing your ball behind a sheet where the pins are hidden. All the player hears is the sound of the pins falling, with no visibility into their performance. To address this, business places a manager behind the sheet to provide the feedback. But if the feedback is given only after the ball is thrown and focuses on what was missed rather than what was achieved, it dampens the motivation and engagement of the team. This isn't to say that corrective feedback should be avoided. It's essential for growth. However, it's equally important to provide a significant amount of positive feedback, actively seeking out where things are going right. Positive feedback not only tells a person that their efforts are appreciated, but also increases the chance of seeing more of the same behavior. Moreover, consistently recognizing and celebrating successes reinforces these desired behaviors, creating a culture of excellence within the team. We will continue to explore other golden rules, so until I see you, take care and stay aware.